November 27th, 2024. There's an old Volkswagen van, 68. This is the front left wheel. So let's take a tour so we can put it back together the right way. Alright? It's going to be very important here, providing I can get it apart. Now then, let's see. There's a spring across here, and the hooks come from underneath. Okay. The hooks come from underneath. There we go. Okay. And you can see the orientation of this plane going by. I hope that helps somebody. Cobwebs. Okay. Right, there's another spring below that. Okay, of course, it's the left front wheel. And you can see that the hooks come from below. Okay, come from below. And what else? The springs are behind this shoe. See, in both cases, the shoe is closer to the camera than the spring, right? Spring, spring, back, shoe, spring, back, shoe is closer. See, the spring is back, and the shoe is closer, right? Right? What else do we have here? All right, up here at the top, looks like there's the star there. Bottom, the star's on that side. Okay. And then you can see that, well, let's look at these holes, right? There's two holes for the spring there. There's a hole up there. There might be a second hole there. It's hard to see. No. No, there's not. And there's no hole up there, it looks like. Okay. But there's a long tab under here. I presume the tab goes into here, probably this long. Okay, of course we can see this stops right there. There we go. And then as we go, that's not good. And down here. The tab must be down there as well. Must be a tab.